Khabib's lawyers vow to sue this airline into oblivion for booting him off this plane and are demanding damages worth multiple private jets.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're either gonna have you switch your seat because my flight attendants are not allowing you to sit next to them, or you're gonna have to get off this plane and then walk because they're not comfortable with my flight attendants. And unfortunately, it is fair. Yes, it is. Is it? I understand that, but it's also off of their judgment. I'm not gonna do this back and forth. I will call a supervisor. You can either take a different seat, or we can go ahead and escort you off the plane. Which one are we doing?
We're gonna be two.
Okay, I'll call a supervisor, and then we're gonna have to rebook you for a different flight. Josh, do you copy?
They kicked him off the plane.